Peel and stick tiles, easy removal?
Hello and welcome to another exciting episode of Home Improvement Hacks. Today, we're addressing a common question. Can peel and stick tiles be removed easily without damaging the underlying ceramic tile? The quick answer is yes, but with a few considerations. Let's dive in to learn more.
What are peel and stick tiles?
Peel and stick tiles are adhesive-backed tiles that are becoming an increasingly popular choice for DIY projects. They're affordable, easy to install, and come in a variety of styles. But the best part is that they're easily removable. They can stick to a variety of surfaces, including ceramic tiles, and are a great way to change the look of your space without a major renovation.
How to remove peel and stick tiles?
Now let's move to the crux of the matter, the removal process. The key is to do this gently to avoid damage to the underlying tiles. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Start by heating one corner of the tile with a hairdryer. This will soften the adhesive and make it easier to peel off. 2. Once heated, use a putty knife to gently lift the tile. Try not to force it to avoid damaging the ceramic tile underneath. 3. Continue this process, heating and lifting gradually until the tile is completely removed. 4. If any adhesive residue remains on the ceramic tile, it can be removed with a gentle adhesive remover. Remember to always be careful and patient during this process. Quick or rough handling could lead to damage to the underlying tiles.
Will there be any damage to the ceramic tiles?
Typically, if the above steps are followed, there should be no damage to your ceramic tiles. However, it's essential to note that there are exceptions. If the ceramic tiles were already damaged, loose, or if they had a poor quality glaze, the removal process might cause further damage. So, ensure your underlying tiles are in good shape before installing peel and stick tiles. In conclusion, removing peel and stick tiles is generally a straightforward and damage-free process. However, care must be taken to ensure that the underlying tiles are not damaged during removal. Always remember the rule of thumb: slow and steady wins the race. Hope this video was helpful and that you'll now confidently be able to change up your spaces without fear. Until next time, happy DIYing!